Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to download and install iTunes in your Windows laptop or desktop computer. Now the first thing that you have to do is click on the Microsoft Store icon. If you don't see this icon here, just go to the search box and then type in Store and then click on Microsoft Store from the top. Now give it a moment for it to load up. After that, go to the search box and then type in iTunes and then click on it. Now from here all you need to do is just click on Get and then iTunes will start downloading and will be installed automatically. You don't have to do anything. Just hang in there. Once the download is complete, just close this window and then go to Start, and here you can see iTunes at the top. Now just right-click on it and then go to More. And then click on Pin to Task. And now you can see the agent's icon on the taskbar. Now just click on it and then click on Agree, and here you can see iTunes. Just click on Agree one more time and now you can start using iTunes on your Windows computer, and that is how you can download and install iTunes on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.